Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to be going through about all of our mochis. If you don't know what a mochi is, it's a type of fidget. So basically we have like brother and sister mochi, which is
Buddy.
I have a
hairy one.
mine's just non-hairy, and then no.
They do.
Look.
Mine is just hairy.
Look, I don't know if you guys can tell, but hers is really hairy and mine's just not hairy. And also, this can make this sound. I don't know if you can hear that actually. It stuck to my hand. Can you do that? It's magic.
Wait, mine is so hairy.
Oh, mine's just staying for so long. Look. Oh, mine fell.
Oh.
Okay, moving on. We have got a dog.
Mine is fluffy.
They can't actually see see it, Daisy. You're like this. Turn it so they can see it. One. Oh, oh, I wonder if this can stick to my hand.
I wonder.
No, it doesn't. Okay. This is so squishy.
My doggy.
So squishy. So squishy. Oh my god, you stink! My hands actually smell of mochi. Look, smell.
Smell mine.
Daisy, your fault. Was it?
Smell mine.
Okay, anyway, we're getting sidetracked. We have
Squirrels! Squirrel!
join the squirrel army. Why is mine shaking so much? Why is mine shaking so much?
Mine's not.
Mine is.
Mine's shaking.
Look at mine.
Mine's shaking.
So is mine. Look at
No.
mine.
We finished those.
No, we haven't. Join the squirrel army, guys. Comment down below if you have any mochis and tell me what animal they are. Show them, Daisy. One more time. He's cute though. Like, be honest. I like them. I like
I'm
them
showing
detail.
you my bum.
Moving on, we have a bunny.
Yeah, we have a bunny. Shake my bum.
Daisy, they actually can't see.
Scream.
Show them, actually. Show them. Wait, the ears on this one are missing, and then the ears on this one are fine. That's so weird. Next, we have a green elephant.
Yeah, elephants are brown.
They're actually grey. Who's told you they're brown?
No one. I just thought they were brown.
I love playing with these. This one, I don't know if this is my favourite. I think it is so far.
I think
So far, it is my favourite because it feels really nice to touch it with the dinosaur.
and pink is
Hey,
mine.
yo, what is that?
Oh,
Next, we've got a crocodile.
crocodile.
Very nice, very nice. Guys, comment down below what this is because I haven't. It looks like an axolotl, maybe? I don't know.
It looks like a badger. I can't.
Mine is nodding. What the hell?
Mine is not.
Mine is nodding. I'm saying no. Okay, this is an axolotl, I think. Comment down below if you think it is. Oh, this is a lonely one. He has no friend. Another dinosaur. He's green. You can't really tell from the lighting. Hair. Tortoise. Tortoise. I don't know.
Tortoise.
Yo, wait. What? Can he stick to my hand?
Look at this.
Wait, he can. He can stick to my hand. Oh, maybe not. Oh, mine stuck for a second there. Okay. Moving on, we've got this, whatever this is.
Oh, this is a mice. No, this is a hippo.
No, this actually does look like a mouse or a hippo. I don't know. What is this, guys? Comment down below.
It looks like a hippo.
I don't know. It looks like a mouse to me.
It looks like a hippo to me. No, it looks like a mouse.
That can't be a hippo because this is a hippo.
Oh.
Is this a hippo? It looks like a hippo.
Yeah, it is.
It's even got the little tail on the back.
What the...
Why is it funny? Why is it funny, Daisy? Alright. Oh. We are going to
Chicky.
do We've already done that. I'm playing with my non-hairy one.
I'm playing with my hairy one.
Okay.
Ay.
Well, I'm going to film a short on my phone right now. And it'll just be so cool. I'm going to edit as well.
Max is
Daisy, just talk to the camera.
I don't know what to say.
Just talk to the camera.
This is a hairy chick.
Just talk about them. A minute.
Why was this doggy laying down? This doggy was actually laying down.
No, okay.
Abby, I know what it is. And this bab, I don't know what this is. Look at the...
It's an axolotl.
I can't say it. And this is a really wide turtle. Look. Excellent.
Don't stretch them.
And this is a really blue turd. And this is just a lonely dinosaur. And this one's sad. Sadder than ever.
I'm still got so many to do.
And this one, this bunny one, has a friend. And this is the friend. Look. Squeak, squeak. I've lost it here. I'm not having it.
Okay, this result is going to turn out so good, guys.
This is green. One of them should be brown. And this one's just like a people or a mice.
I think I've done all of them.
And this one is just a hairy chick. Just a lonely dinosaur. And this one, friend. This is green.
What, your booger? Okay,
Just a lonely dog.
okay, watch this. I was just... I may put it in the dark. Okay, that's better. Oh, that was the best. I'm Spider-Man. We. We. I love that one. That's so cute. That was funny. We. What did he do? We. I don't know if you can see, guys. That was funny. I'll show you, Daisy. Let me turn the light on. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed that. We now need to put all of these away, apart from our chicks. Mine's not the hairy one.
Where's the hairy one?
Right. Crocodile, going in. No, don't do it. time. Okay, fine, it's fine. I just got a handful and just... We will collect more
Wait!
matches over time. Over time, don't worry. Okay, yeah, see ya.